Today we are unboxing something very special to me. And forgive me, I don't know how unboxing videos work. I mean, I know I could have checked videos and all these other things. I just know you gotta put something on the tripod and do a close-up on the box. But everything else, child, I did not have the patience to be watching. But anyway, this thing that I got in the mail, I knew it was coming. It finally arrived yesterday, but I didn't open it yet because I just wanted to take a moment to just soak it all in this quietness and just being alone. So let me just start unboxing it without making y'all wait too long. You ever feel like when you're unboxing something, you just want to be like, bam, 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 but you got to be careful because you don't know if you can scratch whatever is inside. So let me be careful. And I did put this envelope on top because I didn't want my address on the internet, child. But I'm excited. Ooh. So you guys are seeing it with me as I unbox. Oh my God, it's heavy as hell. Ooh, child. Okay, so, wow, this was an award for a book I wrote called, which one is this one for? Okay, so this is for my book, Notes to Self, A Human's Journey. So I won an award for it, first place. And this is the official award, and it's really heavy, oh my God. But it's so beautiful. Oh, child. Oh my, I wish you guys could feel how heavy this is. Jeez. Wow. I don't know if y'all can see it, but this is so beautiful. Oh my God. So this is an award I won a few months ago. First place for my book, Notes to Self, A Human's Journey, as I said. And this is the award under the category of self-help motivation. And I'm just so thankful for the BookFest for creating this award. Of course, I'm thankful for everyone that supported me at the pop-up shop, ordering the book on Amazon, everyone that subscribes to my websites, just people in my life that I've learned some of these self-help motivational words from, words of affirmations, things I've just learned on the TV, through life experiences, family, friends. And, you know, with those experiences, I put them into a book to motivate people. You know, the short words really impact people. They're something that you read in the morning, read when you're having a really tough time at work with a friend in a relationship, just to remind yourself that, you know, we're all learning, we're not perfect, and we need to get back on track as we keep motivating each other, as we keep reminding ourselves that we are human, we are not robots, we are not perfect. So, this is an amazing award. But it's not over, guys. Let me put this right here gently. Ooh, child, listen. Ooh, actually, let me put it right back into the bag, child. Listen. No, actually, let me just put it right here. Ooh, child, it's really heavy, but it's not over yet because I won 2 awards, and the second one, ooh, child, just as heavy. This gold box is everything's giving luxury, honey. Oh my God, so this one is another award I won from the same BookFest, but this is for a different book of mine called Open Letters from Within. So Open Letters from Within is like a poetry book that focuses on pain, recovery, and love, and in that order, pain, recovery, and love. You know, dealing with the pain, recovering from it, whatever that means, and remembering that recovery is a journey that there's no timeline on. It's something you have to deal with on your own. So there's no timeline on recovering and healing. So after we deal with the recovery and we find what will help us recover and we're back on pace, back to our usual self, then we find love and we truly know the meaning of love. So that's what my book is about, Open Letters from Within. Obviously written by me. I was about to read my name like it was someone else. But this one won second place under the category of Poetry Love and Poetry Modern, also by BookFest. Really, really heavy, guys. I just want to give you a little close-up. I don't know if hopefully it's showing well. Ooh, child. Oof, I'm so excited. And I actually just want to show you guys the books that I actually won the awards for. So the first place was for this book. As you can see, Notes to Self, A Human's Journey, available on Amazon. You know, I got advertised. Yes, and then this one is the second book that won the second award, but this was second place. The other one was first place. Open Letters from Within, second place, and Notes to Self was first place. So I'm just really thankful that I'm getting recognitions for things that I've written. I am self-published, and I'm so happy about it. I don't feel sad about it. I just love that I'm able to creatively express myself and not have anything hinder me, or no one is telling me what to write and what not to write. So I'm just grateful, and it's amazing to be recognized. It's amazing to win such awards. And this will only have happened through you all that support me. People that I know and people that I don't know at the pop-up shops, online, on Amazon, through friends, through family. I'm just thankful for you all, because without you all, I would not have the strength to keep going, to keep writing books, or to win awards like this. So that is all I want to say concerning this. I'm truly, truly grateful. But I also want to show you where I will be placing it. So this is where I have decided to place my awards, right here, right under the TV, by my other award. So this award was second place. It goes on top of Open Letters from Within. And then this one was first place, so it goes on top of Notes to Self, right on top of the books that they have been awarded for. So excited. So I get to look at it every day when I get into the house. I'm sitting watching TV. It reminds me to keep going, to keep writing more books, keeping me inspired, keeping me motivated to keep pushing, and that I'm making an impact in people's lives. So I just want to thank you all for unboxing this award with me from the BookFest. Thank you once again, and thank you all for watching this video and sharing this moment with me.